main reason governments pour money into education is not because they care about the richness of your inner life. It's because they want a steady supply of new entries into the workforce. But does it have to be at the cost of people's dreams, people's spirit? Can't we have both? There's quite a lot of evidence suggesting that we can and should be able to have both. If you learn to read at school, then you've got a practical skill. But if you learn to love reading, you have something even more valuable, not just to you, but to society as a whole. A team of researchers at Liverpool University found that people who read for pleasure are more confident, less isolated, better able to concentrate and develop new ways of understanding, more self-aware, and so on. All of this is a benefit not just for the individual, but for the society and, ultimately, for the employer.